Hello, welcome back to Bell's Reading Corner. Reading F， 今天到了第5章节 My Silly Sandwich. Hi, I'm Sid. I like to make silly sandwiches. This is my dog, Spot. He likes to watch. You are in luck. I'll make a silly sandwich now. I put on lots of ham. I put on lots of cheese. I put on lots of pickles. I put on lots of noodles. I put on lots of jelly beans. I put on lots of ketchup. All done. I told you my sandwich was silly. Now, I'll get some milk to go with it. I'm back. Hey, where did my sandwich go? Did my mom eat it? No, your sandwiches are too silly, she says. Did my dad eat it? No, your sandwiches are too silly, he says. Did my sister eat it? No, your sandwiches are too silly, she says. Hey, who ate my sandwich? Wait, I see some crumbs. I follow them. Crumb, 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 crumb. Hey, Spot ate my sandwich. Now that is too silly. Okay, thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.